Find the greatest number that will divide 148, 246, and 623, leaving remainders 4, 6, and 11 respectively. Now, in such kind of questions, all of you remember the wording of the questions. Whenever you find such kind of wording, what you have to do is, first of all, write down the numbers and their corresponding remainders and then subtract the remainders. So 148 minus 4, you have 144. Then 246 minus 6, so you have 240. 623 minus 11, so you have 612. Now, you have to find out the highest common factor for all these numbers. Okay, so let's find out. So you can identify immediately that 144 is 12 square, 240 is 12 twos are, 612 also is in the table of 12. So let's divide by 12. So 144 upon 12, you have 12. This is 20. And 612 divided by 12, that will be 51. Now, we don't have any further common factor between 12, 20, and 51 taken all at a time. So therefore, answer will be option A, 12. So remember this method of subtracting the corresponding remainders from their individual numbers and then finding out the HCF of the respective numbers.